Martin Vesper. I'm CEO of digitalSTORM AG, a Swiss-based company in the smart home area.
In two maximum few words, can you explain the technology or the principle of your products?
We do a digital transformation of a home. So everything in your home will be digital and connected. So how it works together is based on software. And we do all the orchestration, how it should work now to the best benefit of the consumer.
Coming here since 3 years in CES, what is the main interest, the first goal of coming here in Las Vegas?
Our interest in coming to the CES to show an international audience how smart home is developing, and that we have the approach to be part of the building on the one hand side and combine it with consumer products. So if the landlord puts in the shades, you maybe want to use an Amazon Echo in order to control them, and that we can do these things. That we gain attention from manufacturers who are global manufacturers, from service providers, and also certain possible partners in Europe and Asia, because 2/3 of this is non-US, either Asia or Europe, of the visitors here.
On your booth, I can see some Swiss logo. Is the Swissness very important or not for promoting your business here in US?
Now, since we are not marketing in the US, we're in Asia and Europe, and it plays a big role that we are a Swiss company with a combination of quality and innovation. And Europe, it's not that important from that point. When we go to the US, we have to see how the perception about what is meant when you say you're coming from Switzerland. We'll see what that means.
But do you feel difference in terms of quality about Asian product or US products against the European or Swiss products?
Oh yeah, especially in the house, there is a big difference, and when you set up, you will see that. That we have in Europe, especially also in Switzerland, Germany, well-educated craftsmen, which set up the technology, the regular pipes, the wiring in a high quality, is a basis. If you have a high quality infrastructure, the rest will be very reliable, and that's important. I think that's especially. And in Asia is very respected, that the products we bring and the Swiss products we bring along, while we work with companies like Sous together, that is very appreciated, because it's one thing, it always works.
Last question. I know it's not finished. There is 1 or 2 days more about the end of this edition. Could you tell us what is your feeling for this specific edition of CES in terms of business opportunity?
What we see compared to the first year, smart home has its own hall, it has its own area, so the quality of contacts is very different, much better than the first year. There it was like you had a lot of people had interest, but it was not manufacturing approaching you and saying, okay, we understand, we want to go into the digital transformation, and that's totally different run. So at our booth, all major appliance makers have been here seeing what's going on, what will be the future. We show what robotic will mean in the house and stuff like that. So for us, far very successful.